to show you how to make a blue slime. So what you need is some glue and some activator and some water and some blue food coloring. So first we want to get the glue. We want to pour it into here. Okay, now we need to get the glue and we're going to pour it all over here. Here. Now we want to put in some water. Now we need to put in some activator. Okay, now just gonna, now I don't know how to, I always pour into too much of this, so I got this dropper that does it for you. Okay, now let's mix it all around. Wow. 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 Now I'll put this away. Now close this and that's it. So hope this video helped you. So bye. No, can you please subscribe just before I end the video? Please subscribe.